Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana, yeah, it's also coming down very, very sharply. Again, the move down, and I said it in the Cardano video, the move down, the way, it is so strong that we have to assume it's not over yet, okay? And I'm even questioning if we are going to find support here at 39.16, which were 39.20, which is the previous wave 2 low. However, to remain imminently bullish, we need to hold that level. Yeah, if we lose this level, I mean, it would not be a disaster. There are other ways how this can be countered. We would then have to assume that, yeah, possibly, I mean, we had here our 1-2 setup, yeah, which started on the 13th of July at around about $31.70, moved up in a wave 1, moved down in a wave 2. Now we would then have to assume that maybe all of this was just a wave A, we moved up in a corrective wave B, and we coming down in a C. But for now, this is not necessarily an option. We need to wait here what the market is doing. For now, it's not invalidating or violating here this scenario at all. In fact, it's actually doing exactly what we talked about in the previous video. I raised the possibility that this here was just the low here, was just the wave A of a wave 2 correction, that we moved up in a wave B, and I formulated even here this target range for you, which was located between certain Fibonacci levels. You can see how relevant these were. I mean, we reached that area with the accuracy of maybe a couple of cents. Yeah, we saw a strong bearish reaction to that one, came down very impulsively in what would be a wave C. Yeah, so my guess at the moment is that, I mean, normally you would say, okay, let's say we really started the impulse there at $39.20. If we then take a look at the Fibonacci retracement levels, you would normally expect that this move down is finished at the latest at $40.18, the 88.7% Fib level. However, there is really a lack of structure in this sell-off. So for me, this is not over yet. Yeah, we might see a bit of a bounce up, but in a wave C, you would normally want to see 5 waves to the downside. I don't see that yet. Okay, therefore I'm thinking we go down a bit lower. Next support after that would be here the 50-day moving average at $39.40. And then, I mean, we are then in a very interesting environment, because this is the ascending trend line of that overall channel in which Solana has been trading since middle of June. I mean, if we break below this, that would raise questions about the carefully bullish scenario. But I mentioned in the previous video that Solana is really one of the coins where we have the lowest performance at the moment. So it raises already some questions about the bullish scenario anyway. At the moment, we can still be carefully bullish because we still have some very, very important levels here that, as long as they are not broken, we can remain carefully bullish. And here, one of these levels, if we lose the yellow wave 2 at $39.20, we still have the level at $34.50, that wave 2 low from the 27th of July. And if we lose that, and that is the most important one, that is here at $31.90. If we lose this wave 2 low, yeah, then, I mean, then we have to really assume that we're also going to see lower prices below $26, which was the low here from the 13th of June. For now, all eyes need to be on the 50-day moving average and the ascending trend line of the channel, the lower support line. Yeah, my view is we have a big chance to drop even below the wave 2 low here at $39 and what was it, 20? Yeah, roughly. Let me give you the exact level. This wave 2 low, we have a good chance to drop below $39.20. Yeah, okay, and that's my update about Solana. So at the moment, no sign of a reversal. Yeah, and one more aspect to mention here, keep an eye on the descending trend line. Yeah, we have a nice one. As soon as this one gets broken, good indication that the wave 2 is in. I have connected here all the 3 highs, so you've got 3 touch points, and an even better indication would be a move above the wave B, which is here at $44.82 basically. Okay, and that's my update about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.